Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our Monday class in English, and we're going to be working on page 205 today. And you're going to work on page 206, and you're going to submit that through picture to me. Just 206 is all I have to see. I don't have to see 205. So let's begin. Today, let's look at the top. We're looking at perfect tenses. Perfect tenses use a form of the helping verb have and the past participle with the main verb. This section in the purple or the lavender section is going to be kind of important to you because you're going to refer back to this section. When you have the word has or have plus the past participle, it equals a present perfect tense. And when you have the helping verb had plus the past participle, it equals the past perfect tense. And then also when you have the helping verb have but will have plus the past participle, it equals the perfect future perfect tense. So it seems a little bit confusing, I'm sure, but we're going to just keep moving on and we're going to look at some examples below that. So I'm going to move up a little bit, okay, right here. So at the top, you have the verb tense, the verb, and the example. Let's look at the present. Present verb tense, and then the verb is produces or produce. You could say the textile factory produces cotton fabrics, or you could say the textile factories, and that's plural, produce cotton fabrics. And then, but if you'll skip down to where it says present perfect, the difference there is that you have the helping verb has and have. The textile factory has produced cotton fabrics, and the textile factories have produced cotton fabrics. Those are your present perfect. And so let's look at the up above again at the past verb tense. The past verb tense plus the verb produced, it says the textile factory produced cotton fabrics. And if you go down to where it says past perfect, it says that's when you're going to put the helping verb had with it. And let's read the example. The textile factory had produced cotton fabrics. That is going to be your past perfect. The last one is going to be the future. We're going to look at both of these. The regular verb tense future, you're going to say will produce. The textile factory will produce cotton fabrics. And then the future perfect would say will have produced. So that will have kind of gives it a clue to it's the future, okay? So the textile factory will have produced cotton fabrics. So I'm going to move down a little bit. I know that seems a little bit confusing, but you're going to catch on. Let's look at number 1 in the guide section, the guided practice section. It says underline twice the complete perfect tense verb. So remember, do it 2 times, underline it 2 times. And in the section in the back, you're going to have to do the same thing. Remember to underline it 2 times. Number 1, it says, cotton mills has operated textile factories since 1891. So it has the helping verb has with it, has operated. Does anybody remember what if it's past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect, if it has the word has? That's correct. Has operated is the answer. You should underline it 2 times. And has operated means that it's present perfect, that it's happening now. And so let's look at number 2. Number 2, Americans had begun buying Cone's flannel by 1898. What is the complete perfect tense right here? Remember, you're going to have to underline 2 things, and you're going to underline them 2 times. So what is the complete perfect tense verb right here? Yes, had begun. Had begun should be underlined twice. And because it has the helping verb had in front of it, I'm referring back to my purple little bubble at the top that you can refer back to. It says when you have a had plus the past participle, it means the past perfect tense. Okay, so number 3, Cone's denim fabric will have influenced the clothing industry for over 100 years. So I know it looks like you're going to underline 3 things, but you're not. You're only going to underline 2. Nope, I'm wrong. You do have to underline, 2 things. 2 things. Will have. That's right. You're going to underline will have, and then plus the verb influenced. So will have influence. So you are going to underline 3 things there. So remember to underline it 2 times. Okay, so let's go to the next section, numbers 4 through 7. So it says identify the correct verb tense for each underlined verb. And you have to put present tense, past, not present tense, present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect here. Okay, number 4, shortly after Von Baer had placed synthetic indigo dye on the market, Cone Mills began using it on their denim. So the underlined part is had placed. Now, remember, if you have the helping verb had with it, what is that? That's right. Keep referring back up to your purple lavender section at the top. Had plus the past participle means past perfect. So you're going to write past perfect on there. And number 5, the company has not used only indigo dye, however. Okay, this one's a little bit confusing, I know, but we're only looking at has used. We're not really focusing on the word not. It's the helping verb plus the past participle used. So it has used. Now, before you quickly put something on that line, let's look back up at the purple section. It says if you use has plus the past participle, has means present perfect. Present perfect. I know that some of y'all were thinking about putting past there, but it's not past. It's present perfect. So number 6, different colors of denim have kept this fabric in demand. Again, referred back to the purple section at the top, and it says if you use has or have plus the past participle, it means it's the present perfect. So have kept means it's the present perfect. And then number 7, on the last one, Cone Mills will have remained an industry leader for decades. Okay, this one's kind of easy because it has the word will have. And when you have will have, it's going to be the future perfect. So let's write future perfect there. All right, so you guys are going to work on page 206 by yourself. And if you have any questions, my suggestion is flip this page back over to 205 and look at the purple section at the top to remind yourself of the guidelines. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.